What's up everybody, welcome to Gamingtech. This is gonna be one of those late videos once again. You've been asking, does air purifier actually collect dust? In this video, I'm gonna prove it to you that it does. Take a look at this. This filter has been used 6 months. I didn't want to clean it so I could show to you guys that it's collecting a lot of dust in the room. I kept it close to the computer as well. Since I got a lot of fans, take a look at this dust. It is insane. This is basically what happens in 6 months. It's a layer there. It has reduced my computer dust for sure. I can't say tremendously, but it helps. It helps for sure. Look at that layer. By the way, on this HEPA filter, there is another dust filter on top of it. You can cut this and use it as a filter for your fans as well. We're gonna clean this. I'm gonna rip that nylon filter of it. I'm gonna put it inside of water as well. This is the layer I'm talking about. For me, it exactly lasts around 6 months. Some people are saying that with the RFID chip you can hack some stuff. Haven't tried it. Didn't have time for those kind of stuff to experiment with, so €45, 6 months. It's not that bad deal. Here I will show you once again what came off from this filter. Take a look at it. It's crazy. I live close to the main road. Even though I don't open the balcony here, this has been collected inside the room. It's crazy. But we're gonna end this dust problem because I will be moving also, so new place, new opportunities, bigger space. Like, this is crazy, man. As you see, we can rip this. You can just put the magnets, frame it, and it's a dust filter with magnet. No need to buy one. Don't think this is clean, by the way. Once I put against the white table, you will see the huge difference. That is actually dirty also. I will put it inside the water also to show you guys. Man, these filters are crazy. They do a phenomenal job. Take a look at the inside again. Just wiping the sides everywhere. You will be like, oh my goodness. It is crazy though. Super easy to do, by the way. This is the antibacterial one, the purple one. I believe they have a new one that is meant to improve more. Haven't tested. Try to wipe it, doesn't make a difference. That's the model I have. Had it for like 2-3 years. Look at it, do you see that? Black marks on it and stuff. Definitely dirty. But what's interesting is once I put the main filter, that's the interesting part. You can see the particles. Now the moment you've been waiting for. I kept it, by the way, for 5 minutes inside the warm water. I won't be using this filter anymore. That's why I'm abusing it this hard. The idea is to show it to you guys what's been soaking. Dust, particles, whatever it collected inside my living room / office. Don't get fooled by the water here. The particles goes down in the bucket, so they're on the bottom layer. It got some yellowish tint to it. I'm checking here. Why didn't I even use gloves here? Yeah, there you go. This is what I wanted to show you with you guys. Does these filters do a phenomenal job? Yes. Judge yourself. What do you think of it? Do you have one? If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do so. Like the video, share the video, it helps tremendously. I'll see you on the next one. We're gonna go back to the gaming content. I had to clean this and I wanted to show you guys because some people asked about purifiers in general. Take care of yourselves. See you on the next one. Let's go.